Good morning, everyone. This is Mark Leibovit of the Leibovit VR newsletters, and this is a Leibovit VR tutorial here on Monday morning, January 12th, here on Metastock. As a reminder, Leibovit VR newsletters has a series of products which are certainly available to you at any time. Go to leibovitvrnewsletters.com. We have our silver, platinum letters, and of course our gold letter, our forecaster, which is our annual forecast report. The Vice letter is coming soon, which will cover cannabis, and of course I have my book, The Trader's Book of Volume, which is now available in Chinese. Well, here's the story. Over the weekend, we heard that PLC, Shire PLC that is, and NPS Pharmaceuticals announced a merger with Shire PLC, offering $46 a share in cash for approximately $5.2 billion. This is a biotech play, a sort of sense of what's happening in the industry. Very interesting coming in over the weekend. We'll probably see the stock trade up on Monday. So I decided to take a look at the Metastock charts and see if the VR gave us any indication of this move. And sure enough, here's the daily chart. And a Leibovit positive VR was formed here on December 17th. We had a rising stochastic. As you know, we use a 533 stochastic. So in theory, you'd have been long. The stop I generally use is the bar just before the volume reversal. Conversely, if it's a negative VR, as we saw a few days prior, you would have a stop just above that point. But in either event, there was a trade, and you were not stopped out of this. And it's, in theory, you could have been in it all this time. And I'm presuming with a 46 bid, the stock will move even higher in trading today. Looking on the weekly chart to see if there was any confirmation there. Sure enough, there was a big positive volume reversal effect. Very few formed at all in the stock way back on October 17th. In theory, you could have been long here for several weeks if you kept that stop. We did have a rising stochastic, and you were trading above the 50-week moving average. So in theory, what this says is insiders knew something was coming back in October, and again, as early as just recently as the December 17th period here. So again, the VR got you in. It wasn't the day before as we would like to see, but it was a pretty good indication that something was a brew here. So thank you again for checking in, and we'll catch you on the next update. This is Mark Leibovit. Have a pleasant day.